Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy and MTED software. So in this week we have seen a broad-based selling. Index has ended with a negativity by the 4%. We have seen that means initial part of the trading sessions a strong declining momentum was there, but on the last trading sessions the good amount of the bounce that we have witnessed. But in this particular 2 weeks, we have seen that there is a certain kind of structural change. Means earlier it used to happen the higher and higher low sequence, but this higher and higher low sequence had reached at an 11,800 level, which has an historical reversal point. From there, it has formed a certain kind of a bearish reversal signs. A market has come down. It has again pushed back, but it didn't able to surpass its in previous high, and by the same time, it has started to breach its in a immediate lows as well. So after a long time, after 5 months, the index has started to form the lower high and lower low sequence. So with this declining momentum, index has reached to the 30 level RSI, which is normally considered as an oversold territory. Overall structure of the market is still positive, but due to a certain kind of a strong selling pressure, it has come into the oversold nature. And from there, we are seeing a certain kind of upside momentum. Friday, we have already witnessed that. So this upside momentum may continue up to the one particular level. So let's say we take the understanding from the Fibonacci retracement level. So Fibonacci retracement level from this high towards the low point. And secondly, there is a second move that we have witnessed. So here we are trying to find the Fibonacci confluence. So this from high to low point, this is what a Fibonacci confluence that we have witnessed. So here we feel that means the prices has moved on the high side. So of course the 11,100 level is the one where the prices has stuck for the good time, and this is what the immediate resistance barrier we can say. And after the 11,100 level, the topmost resistance point that we can see is around the 11,300 level, as the 50% and a 61.8% retracement confluence to the each other very closely. And secondly, from the price action perspective, the prices has made its in previous high around this level, so it can act as an resistance point from the price actions perspective plus the confluence of a retracements level. So structure has damaged. Prices has come to the oversold nature. So there can be a technical little bit bounce back on the higher side. There can be a little bit more improvement. But as far as the index sustained below 11,300 level, we can say that it is still under the bear's grip. So on a high side, these are what an immediate resistance point we can say, and up to the 11,300 level, it seems that means it is in a bearish territory that we are having. On the downside, if we see that means 11,300 level, once it faces a resistance and as it starts to comes down, so of course on the downside the 10,800 level and thereafterwards 11,550 level, it can act as a potential support levels. So in nutshell, in a very short term trading perspective, due to the oversold nature of the market, it may have the upside momentum, but it is still under the bear's grip as there is a structural change. And on the high side, 11,300 level act as a stiff resistance point. In between, there can be a resistance point around the 11,100 level, and on the lower side the 11,550 becomes an immediate supports level over here. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.